Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off YouTube viewing history on your Google account. So let's get started. Open the Google application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Google application on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click. Then, on the new page, in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option, Manage Your Google Account, and click on it. By clicking on the Manage Your Google Account option, the next page will open where you will look for the Date and Privacy option under your profile picture in the options bar and click on it. Then on the next page, also in the drop-down menu, you will go down to the option YouTube History and click on it. The application will open a new page where you can see the option to turn it off on the right side of the screen. But before the actual action, we suggest that you read in detail what the application wrote to you. If you still want to turn it off, all you have to do is click on the Turn Off option. Again, the application will explain what happens when you pause YouTube history. If you still have your opinion, then just confirm by clicking on the Pause option. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your YouTube viewing history. Now, YouTube won't save your viewing activity, and it won't affect video recommendations either. If this video helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.